Hello and welcome to Simple Windows Tutorials. Today we're going to go over how to change the date and time settings on your Windows machine. Let's get started. So your date and time should be displayed on your bottom right corner of your Windows screen. So this is by default. So if you have your taskbar somewhere else, it'll be usually to the top or right hand side of it. So there are multiple ways to get to the settings, so let me just show you a quick few ways. Go ahead and type on your search bar. You can type anything like date. It'll send you date and time settings, or change time. All of this is just under the same settings page, so no matter what you click, it'll still take you to this page. And I can show you the other one. So that was change date. This is, you can go ahead and search up date and time, and you see it sends you to the same page. Now there are many options that you can change according to your preferences. Currently I have it set to what I want it to be, but if you wanted to set the time manually, you can go ahead and turn this option off and then change, and then set the date to whatever date you want it to be. If you want to be in the future, or if your calendar is just different, you can just set it according to your calendar. You can also change the time according to however time you want it as, and you see the changes applied immediately. Let me go ahead and turn that back on so that it syncs back in. So when it sets the time automatically, it synchronizes your clock to the time server. So I believe you do have to be connected to the internet for that. So that's why they do have that's also why they do have the change time manually. So just in case if there's no connection, you can still change the date and time manually, however you want it to. You can also set the time zone automatically. It'll do the same thing. You'll connect to the time server, and depending on your location and all, like you probably saw that icon right there, it'll set that according to your location. Go ahead and turn that off, and if you have that option as off, you can go ahead and go to the time zone and select the time zone you want to see or set it to, and then depending on where you live, you can also adjust daylight saving time if it applies to you. I mean, no matter where you live, you can always turn this off or on, but if it applies to you, you can set that accordingly. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you get to the date and time settings page. One other quick way is to simply just right click on this date and time on the taskbar, and then go ahead and just click on adjust date and time. It'll send you directly here. That's it, folks. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching.